The next question, one way in which the operation of an NPN transistor differs from that of PNP. First option, the emitter junction injects minority carriers into the base region of the PNP. Second one, the emitter injects holes into the base of the PNP and electrons into the base region of NPN. Third option, emitter injects holes into the base of NPN. Last one, reverse bias in NPN. So in the sixth question, this particular question, correct? Operation of NPN transistor, how does it differ from PNP respectively? That is the question here. So we cannot just say that transistor here, okay, NPN or PNP, we cannot say about the reverse bias. Reverse bias in a transistor and forward bias in a transistor is same. Option D is eliminated. Option D is eliminated. And one more thing, option C, emitter injects holes in NPN. NPN in the sense, N means what? Electrons are more. Correct? P is positively charged holes. You got the point. The emitter, correct? Yes. Emitter injecting were holes in NPN. So that is not at all possible. Because we need what? Electrons. Then only the transistor will be into forward biasing. Option C is gone. I'll just see the option A. Emitter junction injects minority carriers. Minority carriers of a PNP will be electrons. Again, this is same as option C only. They're written in different words. You got the point. So option A is also gone. In the sense, minority carriers of PNP will be electrons because N is only one present here. Correct? There is only one N. So in the sense, electrons are only, yeah, they're telling about electrons being injected into the base region of PNP transistor. So that is wrong. The second option, let's see, the emitter injects holes into the base of PNP. Yes, now this is coming positive. Holes and PNP, yeah, it does match because P is more, so holes is fine. And electrons into the base of NPN, correct? Electron should be into the base of NPN. Yes, and holes. This is the correct answer. So 6B is the correct option. 6B is the correct option. So again, we are using the process of elimination here. That's all. So if you don't understand this thing, I'll tell you one simple thing. I'll just draw a box here. PNP, correct? Yes. In PNP, in P sides, what will be more? Holes. There will be a lot of holes. So in PNP, in P especially, what will happen is holes will be more. Positive side. N in the sense electrons will be more. So negative charges. Okay. So for a transistor to work, if it is PNP, I have to supply what? More holes to P. I have to supply more holes to P. Now I'll take one more thing. I will take, I'll draw one more thing. NPN I will draw now. NPN. Yes. So in NPN, what I'm drawing here now is I'll draw, yeah, I'll draw holes here. In P side, I'll draw holes. N side, I'll draw electrons. This is my electron, negative charge. Minus, 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 everywhere minus. So what happens? I have to supply electrons for this to work, to transistor to go to in forward biased. Correct. So if I take the PNP, what is my minority carriers? Minority carriers are electrons in this. This is my minority carrier. Minority carrier. Okay, by seeing the diagram itself, you will know. Whereas in this, my minority carrier is what? Holes. Holes is my minority carriers in this. Whereas in PNP, electrons is my minority carriers. In holes, minority carrier of what? NPN. That's it. NPN respectively. Simple thing. Clear? So in coming to this particular question, one way in which operation of NPN transistor differ from the PNP is, correct, only if the emitter injects hole to the base of PNP, then only it will be forward biased. And only way in this electrons into the base of the if get injected into the base of NP, then only that will be forward biased. Suppose if I'm injecting minority carriers into the base of PNP, the first option, it is wrong. Because if I inject electron into PNP, it won't go to forward bias. It doesn't work actually. Okay. Again, same here. The third option, if you see, the emitter injects holes into the base of NPN. If I'm injecting holes into the base of NPN, again, it doesn't work. It goes into reverse biased. That's it. Then emitter junction is reverse biased in NPN. So they're not even telling about PNP. So first of all, option D is gone. Okay. So that's how we're using the process of elimination we can do, or a little bit of theoretical knowledge we can do that thing. So option B is the correct answer. Very easy thing. In an unbiased PN junction, correct, holes diffuse from P region to the N region in a PN junction diode. Because of what? Obviously, diffusion in the sense, let me draw a diagram here, then I think it will be much better. I'm leaving some gap. Okay, this is the depletion region, so that's the reason I'm just. So what will happen is holes. There will be lot of holes in what? P. This is my N. Electron will be negative. Correct. What will happen if the P side, this is connected to the positive side of the battery. I'll just put this thing. This is cell. This is not a battery. Yeah, this is a battery now. Yes. Yeah. Kindly forgive me for the spot drawing thing. So what is happening here? P is having what? Holes. P has holes, N has got electrons. Correct. So if a positive side of the battery is connected to the P type, what will happen? Holes are majority carriers here on the P. So what will happen? There will be a diffusion of holes to the N. Then only the diode will be in forward biased. Correct. So a lot of holes will get transferred to N. Then only you'll get the forward biasing. Or else diode conducts or diode will work when holes will get diffused into the electron, because there are a lot of holes in the P side. P is positively charged. Let's see the question. The higher core concentration of P region, that of N region. That's the only reason, because holes diffuse from P region to N region. Option B. Just seeing itself, we can mark the answer. That's all.